Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Lucky Orukpe dey for a Kai market for Saple Road for Benin. He say no to evil union. He don advise the market men and women say nobody go fit force them make them join union if they no wan join. He say the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don already stop some union. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Lucky Orukpe and the market women.
All right. Hello. Hello. Okay. My name is Comrade Lucky Orukpe. Now we be the president of the Traders Welfare Union. Waiting with the fight for the state, with the fight against oppression, against injustice. Are you hearing me? So now for government house, now they send me because make I come tell you and say nobody feel compelled to join any union. So join union not be by force. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
So if anybody say you must join union, you must resist that person. As I speak to you, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the SSG of the state and the chief of staff and the entire Edo State government, they not support anybody where they compel traders to join union. Are you hearing me? If you want to join union, you get the right to join union, but nobody will feel forced to join union. Are you hearing me? Because all this union for inside our market, now it makes things a deal. That is why the government said they don't want. Now secret code, and you go join. And they're going to tell you, say you don't go come market every day. They're going to say, make we share the market. Make this one come today, make this one come tomorrow. Now make things they cost for our market. As all of you are there like this, are you hearing me? Nobody will feel compel you to join union. So the message, when they bring the call now from government house, as soon as they say yes, so government not say on a day here, and government not going to allow anybody to oppress anybody here. Anybody say you not join union, this market belongs to government. This market not belongs to anybody. So anybody will say want to do union for this market, make it a do union, but make it not force people to join. Are you hearing me?
They say if I not join, I go carry my table come out for market. Now they say they don't fit carry me come out. Because now government don't go register this table for other door. Other door receive them my hand. Now other door give me shake. Not be they give me shake. Now as they say, me I not be ETG. They go force me and now crack go you mad at. Because I know say people there wait
Tomatoes. For you to join tomatoes, how much?
3,000. After no one,
to join tomatoes union,
come for the market.
talk to Obaseki. Who they talk that one?
Iyeki.
Okay. Where's the Iyeki? Okay. Like this, stop. All of them go get back of this banner and they say, no to evil union, no to evil union. Come to the banner. No to evil union. No to evil union. No to evil union. All of them go to solidarity forever. Solidarity forever, we shall all live forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever, we shall all live forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight forever. Solidarity forever. join union. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of the state, will not allow anybody to oppress any trader. Information reaching us, they say if you don't go join union by force for this market, they go carry your table, come on. See, if anybody near your table because you not join their union, are you hearing me? Collect my number before I come up for this market. Yes, because all these union where you see so, now they make things they cost for our market. And they talk to some of our women just now for inside market. If they tell you say make you join union, that union has secret court. You must say no to union. Say no to equal union. No to equal union. I'm not a year. Say no to equal union. No to equal union. Say no to equal union. No to equal union. If you buy your market, are you hearing me? Yes, sir. Can't make you go sell out. Yes. If anybody say you must join union, are you hearing me? Yes. If anybody say you must join union, come. Una see this woman? Yes. Una see this woman? Yes. Make una get una names and una number. Wanna get? Are you hearing me? Yes. Anybody with trouble in second train, I'm gonna go tell her. Okay. You go come our office, come tell us. Okay. So they say make I tell all of una from government house. Say nobody get it right to carry una join union. If you want join union, now you go join union by yourself. They're not the first person to join union. If you talk, you go die. If you don't talk, you go die. So, assistant, make una reach. What will be union? Union have to make. Hello? Union. What will be union? Union now to support one another. But the one where they come carry enter inside our market, the rich are getting richer while the poor are getting poorer. They will continue to tell you, say, you not go fit come market every day. See how you go take sell. See how you not go take sell. They go tell you, say, they want go one meeting. You must go buy it daily. You must go take buy so clothes. Why you dey sell? Take care of your children. You have to train your children. Not be to waste your money for union. And you stop beg every one of you. Make una remove spirit of fear for body. As this market big rich now, now government na get am. Hello. Now government na get this market. So nobody will fit go oppress any trader here. Are you hearing me? Yes, sir. So I want to leave my number now in case anybody dey trouble you, somebody come join me. Let Nigeria traders. Freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come. Oh, freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come. Oh, freedom come, oh, by struggle. Freedom come, by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. So, here, way here. Make it tell you here, way no here. For New Benin market, before you sell meat with your table before, you get some people there, what they'll say you must join union. They go collect 150,000. They go collect 5 plates of malt, cabin biscuit, carton of wine and cabin biscuit. As I talk to you now, we report the matter to our governor. Godwin Obaseki don't collapse that union. Are you hearing me? Yes, for New Benin market, you get the one they call Gadiag union. If you want to join that union, now 50,000, 5 crates of malt. The Edo State government don't collapse that union. Are you hearing me? So if you are selling in this market, not be by force to join union. Now somebody they go join union by itself. But for a dumb market, today, things are very expensive. Things are very expensive in our market. What thing make it expensive? Now this union. Customer go carry money come. You no go fit buy anything for inside market again. So join Bucky Leaf Union. That union before for New Benin market. 50,000, 1,002 as ID card, 8,000 for form. That is 59,200. And you can only come market 2 times a week. But the people when they do the union, they come market every day. Somebody say collapse. We don't collapse that union. So the Traders Welfare Union have come to join you today for this market. As from today, are you hearing me? Yes, sir. Anybody when they go first, make it join union for this market. Make una report to this our sister. Are you hearing me? Yes, see, nobody can do you anything. The Bible says when you break the egg, the serpent will bite. Unless your hand not clean. If your hand clean, nobody can do you anything. If they like, may they go do juju. If they like, may they drop anything for your shake. Somebody say back to sender. Una go join us. All of us go come like this. Come our back now. Yes. Stay here. No, stay here. Everybody knows the back now.
I don't see anybody.
No more info. No more info. No more info. No more info union. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always. Nobody can compel you to join union. Not be by force to join union. The Edo State government. The state government say make I tell you now. Not be by force to join union. Anybody who is forced to join union, make una come tell us for our office. Are you hearing me? Anybody who is forced to join union, make una come tell us. Not be by force to join union. Make Nigeria people. And those state government say make I tell you now. Not be by force to join union. And nobody can force you to join union. Are you hearing me? We say not to evil. Not to evil. Not to evil. If you dey sell for this market. The market belongs to government and nobody, anybody that forces anybody to join union in the market, we shall arrest that person, we shall apprehend that person. Somebody said not to equal union. Nobody can drive anybody in this market. The market belongs to government. The market belongs to government. It's not by force to join union. If you are selling in this market, the Edo State government say make I tell you now. Nobody get the right to compel you to join union. Anybody at all, when they force you to join union, come and tell us. Somebody say no more equal union. Is there anybody who want to talk to me here? Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our lives. Solidarity forever. Okay. I want to give my number up. 080. Are you ready? Anybody wake up to join union, hold the number. Okay. 080 53 84 17 81 00 53 84 1781. Pay 3,000 today. By next month, they'll tell you say pay 10,000. Now, so you're going to prepare to go. That is why you must say no. That is why you must say no to that evil union. Are you hearing me? Yes, sir. And if they trouble anybody for this market, now every day I'm going to see me here. Are you hearing me? So I want to say thank you for resisting all this evil union. We not say may they not do their meeting, but not be by force to join meeting. If I don't come out finish, anybody meet you to threaten you or to talk to you anyhow, no talk to them. Just come to my office. We will send a security agent to come and invite the person to write undertaking. If mosquito bites you, they will hold the person. Are you hearing me? Thank you. The woman that is telling me from my back, take. Somebody say no to evil union. No to evil union. This market belongs to government. This market does not belong to anybody. It belongs to government. Anybody that compel you to join union, come to our office and report that person to us. All this union, now it makes things they cost for our market. Are you hearing me? We don't want any union for inside the market. Customer go bring money for market. You not go fit buy anything. So we are saying no to that evil union. Let's go. Let me take it. You're not going to come out of my bag. Sister Emily. Yes, we are in the car. We are in the car market. We are in the car market. The car market is Sapele Road. We are in the car market. We are in the car market for Sapele Road. And this market is being built by the government. And when government build this market, they never authorize anybody to collect and compel people to join union before you can sell any items. But the information reaching us today that if you want to sell meat in this market, you have to join union with 20,000 naira. And if you don't pay that 20,000 naira, the evil union will carry your table and give your space to another person. That is why we are here today, to sensitize the traders that nobody has the right to compel them to join union. Information reaching us too that the tomato seller in this market, they want to compel them to join tomatoes union by force. It's not by force to join union. The danger of it is that when they compel them to join all this union, they tell them the days that they will be coming to market. And foodstuffs will be scarce in our market. And this evil union, they decide the price they sell to customer. All these are the major root cause that is making foodstuff, farm produce and fruit to be very costly inside the Dome market. But we want to thank God for the government of the day, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the SSG, the Chief of Staff. They are saying no. They are saying no, that nobody can harass any trader inside our market in Edo State. We want to appreciate those women that come out, that kill the spirit of fear, that is saying no, never again they will compel them to join union. My name is Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union. I am reporting from Eka, Benin, Edo State, Nigeria, Sapele Road.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.